In video editing, color grading is a very essential part, and one of the ways we do our color grading is by using LUTs with other adjustments. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can import your LUTs in Adobe Premiere Pro. So to install your LUT, first of all, you have to copy them. Then you go to your local disk C, Program Files, Adobe, go down to Premiere Pro and scroll down to Lumetri. Under Lumetri, go down to LUTs and then open the creative folder and paste your LUTs there. If you paste any folder in there, it won't be visible in Adobe Premiere Pro. Make sure you are pasting the LUTs directly. And now if you restart Premiere and go to Lumetri, under Creative, you can see all the LUTs you pasted. Some editors are more comfortable with DaVinci Resolve when it comes to color grading, which is good because as of today, DaVinci Resolve is the best color grading software out there. But the thing is, most of us can't edit with DaVinci Resolve. We edit in Premiere Pro and then take it to DaVinci Resolve for color grading. So I want to show you my own way of moving from Premiere Pro to DaVinci Resolve and then back to Premiere Pro. So after you're done editing, what you do is go to File, Export, and go down to Final Cut XML. Save it somewhere, then go to DaVinci Resolve, click on File, and come down here, click on it, and then go to where you save your XML file, double click it, and it automatically open in DaVinci Resolve. It will bring up this panel, just click OK. And now you can go to the color grading tab, do all of your grading, and then if you want to export it, you come down here, come to this part. Already there's a preset for Premiere Pro XML. Just click on it, choose where you want to save it. It will give you an option for a single clip or individual clip. If you choose single clip, it will merge everything into a video. But if you choose individual clip, it will separate it. That's what I normally use and it has been working for me. So when it's done exporting, if you go to the folder where you exported everything to, you see an XML file that DaVinci Resolve has exported for you. You take that into Premiere and here you have the same project, the same timeline, but now graded. There are some issues though. Sometimes if you use some effects or you already have a lot of assets on your video, you may have issues with that. So what I normally do is I delete all of the assets except for the video itself. Then when I export the XML file, and then Ctrl-Z to bring back all of the things that I deleted. If you are working in Premiere Pro and then sometimes you want to fade out your audio, there is this effect under the audio effect, which is the exponential fade. It's not bad, but instead of that, what you can do is take your pen tool, create a point from where you want to fade it from, and then move to the end and drag it down. That will give you a much better result than using the exponential fade. Another thing with audio, sometimes you record a video or you record your audio and then you can only hear it from one side of your headphone. Like you can see from the audio meter here, only one side of the audio is playing. So you want to go to your effects and type fill. It will bring this option that says fill left with right or fill right with left. And you see here, the right side is the one playing. So you want to use the right side to fill the left. So we'll choose this. And now if you use your headphone, the both ears are playing, and from your audio meter, you can see the both sides are playing.